Hey guys, so this is Deva Mehta and I have a good experience and I have a 3-year experience of a stock market. So today we are talking about which stock can give you a good return, better than any FD, better than any mutual fund. So these 5 stocks are 5 stock, a few stocks you can say, the PSU stock. So the why PSU stock? So you can see the return of the PSU stock, the IRFC, the RVNL, the Aircon, the BPCL, the IOCL. In today's scenario, operator also in the market. So, but in these stocks, operator cannot operate these stocks because most of the guys explore the multi-bagger stock, Russell Brown type, and in these stock, operator can easily operate these stocks. But the PSU stock, the IRFC, the RVNL, the BPCL, the IOCL. So I'm not giving a guarantee, but for the surety that in a long-term perspective, these PSU stock can give you a massive return, better than any IFD, any mutual fund. So these stocks are not, but these stocks also already give the multi-bagger stock like return. You can see the 1-year return of these IFC almost triple their money, RVNL, the BPCL, the IOCL, and also BPCL and IOCL also give you the dividend also. So you can see on that. But now we are talking about the current news. So in this month, mostly the IPO wave is coming. Many companies listing their companies as a IPO, initial public offering, and most of the guys you get allotted or not allotted. But in this month, most of the IPO waves come. The Bajaj IPO, the Gala IPO, and many more. So these company can, if you get allotted, you can make a money out of it. But there are many retail investors who apply. So this is oversubscription. So then the company decide on the lottery system as according to the SEBI. So you can see the stock. But if you stick on the PSU stock, the public sector companies, the IOCL, BPCL, IRFC, RVNL. So you can see the IRFC, how the Vande Bharat train and many redevelopment stations in. So IRFC play a very big role. Also RVNL. So these two companies I can give a good return out of it. And the BPCL IOCL, so the demand of oil is increasing as a so trust on our population, trust in our country. You can bet on this. The BPCL, the IOCL, the oil companies, as the so you're saying the EV sector also growing, this all, but the demand of oil is never ending as a trust population increasing rapidly. So that's it. Hope you guys get it. What I'm trying to say. You can be your own fund manager. Rather, you can invest in mutual fund. It's okay, but you can make a better return than any FD, any mutual fund in these companies. And trust in India, it will grow. It is developing country. It will grow rapidly. You can invest, but you have to invest in a long-term perspective. If you invest in it, you can make a good profit in a short term, but you have to stay in these companies in a long term, so you can make a massive return. So the power of compounding, you can say, you can invest it. So thank you guys. If you have any query related to the stock market, the IPO sector, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply on this. Thank you.